it in the other, maybe we can just put it down here so it's uniform. So we get all the player if it's player. Well, we need to refactor this because it's not really good. I don't like it. We do it here like that. Remove this one. We can just directly doing it, right? Why we are returning this? And there oh, there's much better, right? Then this is the one. Then command like that. Okay. Then after setting the max harvester, then we do a function for counting. Uh, for uh, what's our header? Where are you, header? Harvest data. Um, go back. Give me a moment. Maybe I'll make it simple. Um, Make it simple, dude. You can just copy paste these. Then one automatic Dino harvest. What? Hmm, put it right here. Right. This is for since this is array. This I'm missing harvest. You can just copy paste this from here to here. But this one here. You can only choose one. Right? If it's the player is in tribe, look for that. Okay, so when we count this, maybe we'll count it. Uh, harvester. We're not gonna use that anymore. 50. What did I do? Okay. So we are counting if harvester dot player ID equals PC dot link player ID field, which we're not in the tribe, right? Uh, but this one is wrong. We'll put it on the down right here. Supposed to be there. Then this one harvester tribe ID player targeting field. They're the same in big bear in long. Okay, so if then count plus, that's easy as it. We are counting. Then for the last check, um, if harvester equals to count or more more than or equal. Oh no. Harvester like that, which means you reach the maximum harvester. And then what we doing? If not, no, return false, of course. Return right? Is false. Is false. Then if else, return to right. So here we are plus. That's it. Every dino you have, if you have 100, something to you. But here, you're using the command, right? So it's still defend if you have permission to use the command. So I put it right there. Okay, then we're done that. I think we're almost done. But we haven't checked do this harvesting. But anyway, everything will be easy and simple code. Maybe that's for the part two. But we're gonna finish this until here. Okay. We just need to add the Dino to our reference so we can have the reference for a Dino and run it automatically. Okay. So when we have instead of returning this, what you could do is some copy paste some notification. Make right here. Uh, hmm, we don't know yet. You have bridge. That's it. uh, person, right? I don't know what I'm typing right there. Wait, let's fix this. You have reached the maximum. Yeah, we have this one. What? You have reached the server. Copy paste that, and then harvest max P or T. Person. Yeah. Okay. You no, the server reached the max. You have reached maximum dino harvest. Orange to the okay, and then return, of course. Forget the return, or else it will go through. Okay, after that, moving forward, what we do, what we're gonna do is getting sign in, Dino ID1, Dino plus Dino ID, why, what is wrong? Signed in one field, then I sign Dino ID2, Dino, Dino ID2 field, then uh, probably we need to check another one. We need to create another function, which is uh, the harvester data, uh, found harvester. This the harvester find harvester function dino ID1. No, you know what? Why should I do that? We don't need this anymore. Maybe later on. Yeah, we don't need that. So what I'm gonna do is the dino primal dino character. Gonna make the function here. We are returning harvester. Harvester probably like this. Find, find what is the function? Find harvester. Find harvester. Primal dino character bind. That's it. Why harvester is data play. Okay. Then but this one we just send the dino like that. Okay. Then from here like this, just to make it cleaner, that find harvester what we're gonna do here is returning Dino our age. Oh my. Yeah, because since we separate this, need to do this separately, right? What we can do, since this has shared same thing like this. Oh my, ay ay ay. Okay, harvester data, harvesting Dino. Okay, they are shared, right? So what we're gonna do, and then we refactor this. Where is it? The counting as well, right? This one, so we can just. Hmm. Okay, 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 okay. Find it here. Uh, ERA, right? ERA get harvesting time. Then it will find, or it will get this one PC. You see what I'm doing? And then check if it's in tribe and else. That's it. That's just purpose. Else, then if you are a personal or a person, this one, if you are a tribey person, this one. Maybe we need to put this up because we're not using overloading, so we might get problem. So we're doing this get harvesting dino. So what we're gonna do right now is, since they're shared, our equals get our get then like this, and then we save some time right here. So we don't really need. Oh no. Oh yeah. There's some changes right here. A little bit. Since we share this, this is gonna have a single loop like this, right? Because we identify which is tribe, which is not. But still, we need to do this. Yeah, it's tribe, right? I don't know. I'm bad coder. Okay, and we it's in tribe. Then it's in tribe. Harvest tribe ID. Harvest tribe ID. Then and easy tribe ID field. And I don't know why I'm getting this. Oh, broken. terrible folder. Uh, Look at what I'm doing. Oh my. But I need to finish it. Alright. I just made it complicated, probably. Just to push this guy. You know? I wish there's like a Python thing that you can return to values. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is getting box harvester, getting the harvesting dino array, and then loop for that. And while we are looping, if it's in try, and then we are using targeting or condition, right? Maybe we can limit this one too, right? Up there. Because we really don't need to um doing if else every time in the loop, right? What we're gonna do is hmm, no, just leave it like that. Okay. All right. I'm so bad. Okay. So but else and not gonna do anything. So right. Okay. And then right here, um, we're getting the dino get get this one. We shared this, post this, and then PC, right? So we do have the harvesting dino loop. What we're gonna do there? Uh, harvesting dino dot find by predicate the lambda function. Dino. What you can do is and if you have sending match, then the constant harvester data harvester harvester. Then do this, then close it, and return harvester that dino id1 equals to dino id and harvester uh, harvester the dino id2 equals dino id2. That's it. Then it will just return why we don't have PC here because we need to pass it. Good. Find harvester. Find harvester. We need to send the PC and Dino. Then we have that, and we will if not equal existing harvester. Make sure that it's not equal because if it exists, then we're not gonna do anything. Right? Just making sure that it doesn't exist. Right? Or probably what you can do is to save you from doing a lot of if existing perfect return like that. Okay. Uh, the points reduction should be down here because we are running the command right now. Like when you add the dinosaur right in the list. Okay. So after spending that, so first parameter earlier, we're gonna add more params right here. We, we not right there. It's down here. Uh, the array of string forces. F string param. Okay. So this will return. So our default F string, if no resources at all, resources, and if any, of course, you know what will happen. Any any param, where's the param? We need to parse it again for our sake. Okay. So after param, parse my valid that is valid index 2, which means um the 2. For example, e.g. Slash ah2 stone like that. So command space uh, the index space resources. Okay, then if it happened that you have resources, then else return the resources. But if happened that you have resources, it's separated by comma. Separated, separated by comma. Okay. So resources, make sure we clean it, empty, and place, not place, empty, because it has any, right? So we need to clean it, or else it will, detect that it has something. So if first, uh, you, maybe we if not equal return resources just to save our sanity. Okay, if parse two things commas like this. Here you don't put space, right? If parse to have something. Parse two contains commas. Parse two dot dot. Oh man, what did I do? Don't save. but parse into array the sources L space, no, not space, comma, and then true. So you just leave blank. If it happened that you have blank resources that add this one, just adding one, you know, just if it happened that you only have one, for example, in this one, only one. But if you have like, comma, wood, comma, metal, like that, it will do like this. Maybe copy paste this one. Then the separated comma info should be the second. Okay. All right. So next up, we are returning. We are parsing this. After parsing it, to parse the resources, it will add automatically. We forget to return it? Of course, return it. Good. Okay. So we return that. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Uh, okay. So after doing this, something we put it in the top. This might cause errors, like I said earlier. Okay, string resources equals to just remove this one. Ah, okay. Sources. So this one returns any, like here, any. Maybe we do it right now. Just got everything here. Oopsie. What? How come I miss you? Oh god. Because I don't wanna see any error when we compile this. Okay, just long, then MO. Did I got it? I got it right. Let's enter it. Don't O's don't go there. Okay, so you can have space. Alright, then we're doing some you know what, you can just put it on the utils if you want to, but it's okay. We're not gonna use this on the other thing. Okay, so we have get resources right now. We go back to this one and then minimize some stuff here because they're so big. Checking Dino, and this is all checks. Okay. Finally, automatic Dino harvest that, then your harvesting. Um, hmm, hmm, this is so, hmm, this is double the work. You know, I feel bad with my coding because what we do here, yeah, we declare this here, and now we need it again. Oh man, probably, uh, void, add harvester, not the fallback, just the function. What we need here is two, which is PC, and we construct the harvester. Harvester equals to harvester data. Why have something? Oh, don't have initializer. Up index. No. See right there. Maybe forget about this. What? But it's still, I'm so. Hmm. Hmm. Wait. Back index. What we just write everything first. Harvester that. I'm sorry. That I'm so terrible programmer. Uh, you know, the the USID 0 harvester the USID 0 the resources. Why it's not like uniform? Let me check my struct. That's where the tribe I where you struct. Stack index tribe value player this. US player ID, man. Tribe ID should be on the top. Then the player ID, then the resources. Okay. So the resources, we need to get it from here. So cut it and paste. Now we need the params. Oopsie. What happened? Okay. Moving forward, what we do here, existing harvester, no, not that one. On player attack index, right? So attack index, resources. Now this is just copy paste the Dino something here. I know. Or basically, you don't really need to declare it because you can directly like paste it like that since we have the Dino reference here and that's absolute. And for the tribe ID as well, PC uh, targeting team field. Even if you are single, no tribe, you have the targeting ID field. But in our code, we are checking if it's in tribe or not, right? So, right here, PC link ID, yeah, ID field, not the string one. Okay, for EOS ID, PC get EOSI. Simple as that. Okay. And then after constructing this, all the data that we need, what we're gonna do is where's our we have it here earlier. Get harvesting Dino data, right? Up to here. So this returns only uh that only is purpose. Drive harvesting data. Harvest was and we just need to pass the PC. Then harvest for data that add, which is our harvester. That's it, right? That's all do. Finally, then, of course, we're gonna call it. Since it's returning void, we don't need to do anything. Just a function. Okay, para Dino and the PC. Right? Do you think that it's clean? Let's double check everything. I think it's clean. Cleaner. Then finally, we can make notification that wait, okay, added harvest. Let's see. We can put the Dino name as been added to auto Dinos, right? You're there. And comma, Dino, the script, the Dino name. I think we did that earlier. Or not, probably. Hmm, so sad. Name, not the name private field. I don't want this kind of getter. Oh, what? Yeah, this one. I think this should do. The string. Okay. Green message, green message, added harvester message. Then this one. Okay. Oh, I almost compiled it. Okay, so after adding it, we're not gonna remove it yet. It's that's for the next video probably. And yes, because I'm tired. Okay. We finished this one. Do harvest attack for you not to waste your time for watching this video. We haven't set up the automatic thing because we need to put it on the timers right here. Okay. Uh, so int. Mhm, why I need to count. Why it's blue? Why to harvest? Why that's hard? Why it's blue? Anyway, we'll find out later. Harvesting line was 0, and for here, because we don't wanna need it later on. Harvester they are fun. Mommy punch them in the face. Oh, delete it. For harvester data, harvester. Uh, hmm, we're gonna do both, right? So we make two, not just one. Actually, we can make merge it, but I'm worried about if we are looking for same thing. Why I separated it in the first place? But we already did that. But maybe we, because I can just return like the condition here, like the find versus find harvester right here. Because anyway, we are looking for Dino ID right here. But for this one, harvesting Dino, the harvester data. So it should be here. Then for the count, it is complicated, right? Because we can just do the condition in the same harvesting Dino right here. Harvesting Dino array. We can just if it's in tribe, the player, and then the condition should be this one. But if not in tribe else, and then the condition will be this one, right? I don't know why did I change that. Probably we revert it just to make it simple. Because anyway, let's just continue this just to finish this one. So we're gonna make two, of course, right? Two loops every time, every seconds. Imagine that. Okay. So automatic dino harvest dot our personal dinos for delete, copy paste this. See, see this. This is so bad coding. We need to fix this soon. Because we separate those loops, right? Not personal one. Tribe first and then personal. Okay. Tribe personal, tribe personal. Uh, So we do first the tribe. What we're gonna do is we final final character final primal final character. It has a find something. Find with Dino ID like this, right? So the parameter should be UWorld, of course. You can have some issues with this UWorld world equals ASA. Yeah, yeah, I get that. Primal player data. It's not static. Get world go up there. I think I did this before. Like not doing this in here. Yeah. Just leave it like that. And then if it happened the world is not valid, then just return. Okay? We're gonna run this on loop. So we need to make sure that world is ready or world is valid. World and then the Dino item is so bad. Harvester the Dino ID one and comma harvester Dino ID two. Good. Uh, Wish I can just. I think that no, it's okay. I do believe that's okay. Okay. And then if Dino, gonna copy paste this down here. That no. Continue. We're on the loop. There's so many Dino in it. If Dino is mounted, that's that because it has B. That's why you need to have the get. Continue. Then if Dino suddenly died, it will stop because you don't want to see the Dino dead like attacking, right? Continue. Okay. But if the Dino is not valid, um, gonna add this for delete tribe since this is a tribe. But add by so we're gonna delete them later on. Why is doing this? No, not the Dino. I'm sorry. It is the harvester. Of course, if it's mounted, no, we're not gonna delete because um sometimes just come down and then it will attack again. But for dead dinos, we need to do this. Between okay. Then uh for dead targeting field, if it's not your dino, it is happen sometimes. If dino that um since yeah, this is a tribe dino, right? So if it happened, the dino targeting in field not equal to your harvester that tribe ID, sometimes it happen, then for delete, continue, okay? This is not yours. Or maybe we're not gonna delete, just continue because um hmm. Or maybe like sometimes they unclaim it and someone claim it right away and it's still the in the record. Yeah, we need to delete that. Okay. The next stuff if final at the infos field dot num -1, which means it doesn't attack whatsoever. And then harvester, the attack index happen to not that. Then continue. Or if I think it's better to delete them because they are invalid data already. The attack thing is not valid. Okay, and then after that, going to this is the final one. Do back, right? Harvest. No, hold on. The attack index true. Set current attack. Interrupt current attack. False. Don't interrupt. Or if you want, but no, I don't recommend. Okay. Also, this will happen to be you prima. I think temporary component. We remove if it's not any. We remove the resources. Dino my inventory component here. Okay. Then if it happened that the Dino inventory component is invalid, we just continue after doing an attack. We just don't remove, right? But we definitely continue because it is okay, right? But on my old code, I delete the Dino because it has a bug or something. I'm not bug bug. Okay, so if harvester that resources, the first thing, C, which means oh yeah, because we are clearing it earlier, right? The first thing, if it's normal, any, right? Not equal to any. Probably we can just what's the thing? But how come? Yeah, it will have delete there later on. But if equals to any, just continue because we don't need to remove anything, right? But if it's not, we must delete